And it's going to be with you on KENS 5 News at 5:30, also streaming on KENS 5 Plus. I'm Henry Ramos. A surprising development at the Christopher Preciado capital murder trial during the lunch hour. The Preciado family's company was served with notice of a civil lawsuit right in the hallway. Sue Kalberg was the only journalist present when it happened, and she has the video. Sue?
Henry, a process server who had a legal paper for the defendant's father showed up here in the hallway. He was looking for Ramon Preciado, who was about to return from lunch. And sure enough, within a few minutes, the lunch break was over and the Preciados were returning. That's when the process server attempted to hand off the paperwork. And at first, the Preciados refused to accept the legal notice, but when it was placed on the floor, he eventually did pick it up. Now, the server provided a copy of that paperwork to us. It says the Guerra family, who lost their son Matthew in the murder, is suing Almighty Air Conditioning. The notice says Ramon Preciado is the company's registered agent, and the clock is ticking for him to respond to the suit. Now, it says the document was filed back in December, but it was obviously just served today. And the server told us it's filed against the company because a lot of times people who feel like they've been wronged will go after a company rather than an individual because there might be an insurance payout to be had. Now, meanwhile, back in court, there was much more forensic evidence, and all of the samples collected from the car where the bodies were found were gone over in great detail. And testimony is scheduled to continue well into next week, and we will be with it throughout. Live at the Bexar County Justice Center, Sue Kalberg, KENS 5.